you get new flooring. It's only been 7 years since I wanted to tackle this project. We have a powder room upstairs on the level where our boys' bedrooms are, and I have been dying to work on this project. It's been that sore thumb in the room, and I really just want to make the space gorgeous for the kids to be able to have a nice space to brush their teeth, use the washroom, and have just a little bit of storage. Right now, we have zero storage, terrible lighting, a toilet that works when it feels like it, and a super outdated faucet and sink here that just really doesn't drain all the time, so it needs a lot of love. Not to mention this floor is hideous and it's terrible to clean. So I have a lot of things to revamp. So today we're gonna do a 24-hour makeover in this small bathroom. Doesn't get much smaller than this and as dysfunctional as this. So we have a long way to go in 24 hours. But good news is I teamed up with my favorite brand, At Home Hardware, to be able to do this project. We picked up all the supplies that we needed at McNaughton's Home Hardware. We have everything here at the house we need to get started, so we better get to work. We have lots to do. Here's how. Under the trim. I just discovered why this sink has never drained properly. That's because all of the pipes are completely corroded. We found huge chunks of wood in the drain and all of this just literally crumbled. It's so rusted out when we took it off. So we need to do this job right. So thankfully we have all the supplies that we need to make this proper for our house.
It's time to go.
It's time. It was time to go a long time ago. And a comb.
Yay! Yay!
I can brush my hair today. All right, let's get this out of here.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful.
There's nothing glamorous about changing out toilets, especially when it's from previous owners.
Too old and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all.
It's time to put some light in this room, and Alicia picked up the perfect light that's giving me all the nautical vibes from Home Hardware. I'm excited to install this, get this old light out of here, and bring some life back into this bathroom. Let's open it up and take a look at the light and see what it's like.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. But it's been a while since that happened.
There you go.
Knock on wood. I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me. Yeah, you do. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again, just give me goosebumps. Ooh, 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 you give me goosebumps. If you lead the way, then I'll follow wherever your heart wants to be. I'll try to keep up in your shadow, feeling good. And if we move too fast, I will tell you. I'll ask you to stop, but I won't. The way that we both feel about this just means go. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple of hours away from love.
Is it blue? Is it green? What about gray? White to match the downstairs? Black. Is it black? Is it yellow? Peak.
The best part about home renovations is when you get to install everything back in. And now we have our flooring, our toilet, our vanity, sink, lighting, rooms all painted. Mural looks great. I'm so excited. This is turning out beyond gorgeous, even better than I expected. And now I get to put in the actual faucet, hang the mirror, and get this place in top shape to surprise my boys with this bathroom. So we're gonna install our new faucet. I decided on a black faucet. I think it really gives it a classy look. And there's really nothing better than the Delta faucets that they have at Home Hardware. Look at how gorgeous. Who knew faucets could make such a big difference in a bathroom? This is a 24 by 36 mirror. We've never had a mirror up in this bathroom. And so I want to hang it low enough that the boys can see their faces in the mirror, since our downstairs bathroom mirror is just a little bit high for them above our vanity. So I'm excited about the size of this mirror. And it comes with clips and everything you need to assemble it. So I can do 2 on the sides, 2 on top, 2 on the front.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in.
It's been 24 hours since we started this bathroom makeover, and what a transformation in such a short amount of time. It's amazing what you can do with the right supplies from the right supplier, and just a little bit of elbow grease can really transform a space pretty quickly. I'm thrilled with the way that this updated. I think this definitely is a dream bathroom for my boys, and I'm so excited to surprise them with it. We used our beautiful beauty tone paint to bring life and brightness to this space. Gorgeous new lighting, vanity, sink, faucet, toilet, flooring, you name it, this bathroom has it. I want to thank Home Hardware for sponsoring this project, and for McNaughton's Home Hardware for supplying us with everything that we needed to complete this project. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to hit the like button and follow along on other DIYs we have on our channel.